So to find a YouTube channel's email address so you can contact them, then simply go to youtube.com and search for that channel. So you want to search for that channel and open up their channel page. So I'm going to search for this channel, for instance. Once you open their channel page, you need to go to this description section and click on more. And that's where you'll find more information like description, social media links, and more info. And then you'll see view email address. So you want to click on that. And then of course, you're going to need to prove that you're not a robot with some captcha code. So let's select Crosswalks for this one. Once you've selected and click on verify, and then you verified that you're not a robot, then you should see the email address. So click on submit, and then now you can see we have an email address for this particular YouTube channel. So you can contact them using that. Now, the only reason you can see that YouTube channel email address is because they have put it there and they want to be found. Okay. Now, for some channels, you might have to use some third-party tools to find their email address in case they've not added it to the about section of the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.